Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for commenting beautiful things to me. Thank you so much. This is your extended love reading for the month of May. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I have already uploaded your general reading. You can have a look on that. I have uploaded your love reading. You can have a look on that too. So let's start your reading. I don't read reversals, and not gender is not specific here. So take gender according to your situations. You're waiting your ships to come. You're waiting for someone, Aquarius. You're waiting for someone here, and you're completing a karmic cycle with someone. Right now you are unable to sleep at night. You're spending sleepless nights here. You want your wish fulfillment, and your wish fulfillment is going to come true in the month of May. There is a lot of celebration which is coming for you. Okay, celebration, some kind of celebration is coming towards you. Okay, so let's see. Maybe right now your defensive mode is on. Your guards are up. You're not ready to open up here with the Four of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands. But there is a new beginnings, new happy beginnings in your love life, and this is very powerful, very beautiful cards. In your lovers with the Sun card, okay, this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. New happy beginnings are coming for you. Okay, so now let's start your reading. Let's see what are the energies. I'm going to explain you one more time. You love someone very much, Aquarius. You are having a lot of emotions and feelings, okay, for someone. You love someone very much, and because of that you are feeling, maybe you are thinking a lot, you're contemplating a lot. Okay, you are feeling restricted, stuck, and you're having confusion here with the moon. Okay, you're having you don't have any clarity right now. You can't move in a forward direction. You're feeling restricted and stuck. But don't worry, you will come towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. You will come towards the calmer waters with the Emperor here. And in the main reading also I told you that I was getting the energy of Emperor and the Chariot. Okay, so you will move in a forward direction with the Chariot card, with the Emperor. Maybe the Emperor will move in a forward direction, okay, because you are in this energy of Eight of Swords. But let's see more. So this is someone who is an authoritative figure, fatherly figure, who is very King of Wands and the Emperor here. So this is someone who is very attractive, very passionate, very handsome looking. That can be a possibility. Very creative, mysterious. Okay, maybe they are stable. Okay, but they are stable here with the Emperor. Emperor is someone who is very stable. Okay, and you are dealing with someone who with whom you are having a soul connection. Okay, either this is your soulmate or this is your twin flame. Here I'm having the Emperor and the Empress both. Okay, so this is your soulmate or this is your twin flame. This is someone with whom you are being destined to be. So they are working a lot here with the Eight of Pentacles, maybe on their career. Maybe they're working on a lot, okay, on their career, on themselves, maybe. Okay, maybe in this relationship here, that can be a possibility. But what I can see is that they're working on themselves. They are getting better day by day. Okay, they're working a lot on their career and on themselves. But right now you are holding back from this person here with the Four of Pentacles, and there was Seven of Wands here too. So you are not ready to open up. You are holding back your energy. You're not giving this person energy. You're not opening up. In, your guards are up. Your defensive mode is on right now. But you want to create 10 of cups and the 9 of cups. So your wish fulfillment is coming true, is going to come true in the month of May, Aquarius. Happy family, happy life. 10 of cups is going to come true with the Empress. This is going to come true. Now let's start the clarification and let's see what are the more messages which I will get for you. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out in the clarification. And bottom of the deck, I was having the tower from this deck. Okay, right now you are spending sleepless nights. I told you this, but don't worry, tower is coming in your life, and this tower is not bad. Okay, this is sudden big unexpected changes which is coming for you, and this is beautiful. Why I say that? Because whatever confusion you are having right now, you will get the clarity, Aquarius. After this tower you will get the clarity. So this is a beautiful tower which is coming for you, I can say that. So let's see, because why I say this beautiful, because see, the sun is coming after the tower. Okay, so this is beautiful tower. This tower will bring you happiness. Okay, clarity. So let's start your clarification. Please help me out in clarification. Let's see, what is the meaning of Queen of Cups? Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Why there is Queen of Cups? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Death card and the King of Cups. Okay, why I'm laughing? Okay, this is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. This is someone with whom you are having a soul connection. Why? Because Queen of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. Can you see? Again, you are holding back. You are not opening up yourself. You are not giving the energy to this person. This is you, the Queen of Pentacles. You're not giving the person energy. Okay? And this is your divine counterpart. Again, see, the Queen of Pentacle and the King of Pentacle both are here. So this is your divine counterpart. You are not opening up. You have a lot of love, but you're not opening up. But this situation is going to end, that death and rebirth. Okay, that this situation is going to end. Your guards will be down. You will be open up. Okay, and here I'm having King of Cups and Queen of Cups. See, again, second power couple here. That's why the Emperor and the Empress is here, because you both are made for each other by the divine here. So let's see why there is Eight of Swords energy. Why there is Eight of Swords energy? Why there is Eight of Swords energy? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Moon here again. Okay, so you are having a lot of confusions here, Aquarius. Okay, the Moon and the Moon. So you are having a lot of confusions here. Maybe this person move in a forward direction with the Eight of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles. So right now you are focusing on yourself. You are enjoying your singlehood here with the Nine of Pentacles. You are happy, abundant. This is pre-Empress too. So you are enjoying your singlehood. You know that you deserve love. Okay, and that's why either you move in a forward direction from this connection, or this person move in a forward direction. Okay, but someone walk away. Okay, someone move in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups. Okay, why there is Moon here? Why there is Moon here? Bottom of the deck, and see, it just wants to fell out and the Moon was there. So they want me to take this. Queen of Wands, Eight of Swords, Ace of Cups, Three of Wands, the Emperor, the Eight of Wands. Whole story is here. Knight of Swords and Three of Cups. Queen of Swords. You already know the truth, Aquarius. Whatever confusion you are having inside your soul or in your life, you already know the truth here. The Queen of Swords is here. Can you see in this deck too? I told you the Tower. You're spending sleepless nights because you are having a lot of options to choose, but there is Queen of Swords here again. So you already know the truth. Okay, but you are maybe thinking a lot. You are in thinking and contemplating a lot. Here I'm having Queen of Wands and King of Wands, both third power couple which I am having. See, Eight of Swords energy again. So you are feeling restricted, stuck here. Okay, because you want emotional fulfillment. Ace of Cups, you want emotional fulfillment and you are waiting for that. Again, Three of Wands, you are waiting for that. You want emotional fulfillment and you're waiting for that. And who are you waiting for that? The Emperor. Okay, you're waiting the ships to come. You're waiting for your Emperor here, and your Emperor is going to contact you. Okay, with lot of communication with the Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is coming towards you. They're rushing towards you. Knight of Swords. Okay, and my second deck is also having Knight of Swords here. Can you see? Someone is rushing towards you. Knight of Swords, they are coming towards you. Your Emperor is coming towards you with lot of communication. Okay, there will be lot of communication. They're rushing towards you, and there will be a celebration with the Three of Cups. Maybe right now you're feeling like lot of confusion, and whatever that is going to end, because you already know the truth. You know what is the truth. Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Why there is Six of Swords here? Why there is Six of Swords? Wheel of Fortune, beautiful. See the Chariot. I told you, you will move towards the calmer waters. You will move in a forward direction, Aquarius. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. This is your good karma, which is going to be, you are going to get it. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Beautiful reading. Clarify me, Emperor. Clarify me, Emperor. Why there is Emperor? Justice. Why there is an Emperor? Why there is an Emperor here? See the Tower. Okay, so maybe this person was an in and out in from your life here. Knight of Wands is here. So maybe this was someone who was a player kind of energy. That can be a possibility. And they want to give you justice. Now they want to, give you justice. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here. See, the Tower is here again. Okay, the Tower and the Tower. This is the divine intervention which is happening in the life of your divine counterpart. This is the divine intervention. They want to give you justice. They know that they treated you wrong, and now they want to give you justice here. Why there is King of Wands here? Please clarify me, King of Wands. Beautiful. They're gaining the strength here, Aquarius, to approach you. They're gaining the confidence. They're gaining the strength to approach you, because they left you out in cold in the past. Five of Pentacles. They left you out in the past, and that's why now they're gaining the strength to approach you. In what it wants to come out, the Fool card. They want to take a leap of faith with you. 1212 was the recording reading time. They want to take a leap of faith with you. Here I'm having King of Swords. Okay, King of Wands is being clarified by King of Swords here. Can you see? This is beautiful reading. I can say this is very beautiful reading, Aquarius. I love today's reading. This is very beautiful reading and very clear reading, I can say that. Okay, they're gaining the strength here to approach you. And can you see there is an infinite symbol in the hands here? This is someone with whom you are having a soul connection with. This is your divine counterpart. This is your soulmate, or if it is not a soulmate, then this is your twin flame. Okay, clarify me, Eight of Pentacles. Why there is Eight of Pentacles? Ten of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Eight of Wands again by the Emperor. So communication is coming towards you. They are working a lot to bring Ten of Pentacles. Okay, to create Ten of Pentacles, abundance of everything with you, Aquarius. That's why they are working a lot on their financial stability. Okay, they're working on their career to bring Ten of Pentacles. They want to create Ten of Pentacles with you. That's why they're working a lot on their financial stability. Why this why there is Four of Pentacles is here? Why Aquarius is holding back? Because of the confusion. Because of the confusion. The Star and the Seven of Cups. But I'm not going to take it. Okay. Why there is Four of Pentacles? You are completing a cycle with this person. I told you the World card is here. Okay, so you are releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulder with the Ten of Wands. See again the Four of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and the Queen of Wands is here again. So yes, you're feeling restricted, stuck. You can't move in a forward direction, that is for sure. That's why you're holding back. And here I'm having Queen of Wands. Can you see? All pairs are here. That's why the Emperor and the Empress came. Okay, the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. This is your energy, I told you. You feeling restricted. You can't move in a forward direction. Okay. Why there is 10 of cups here? Please clarify me 10 of cups. Please clarify me 10 of cups. Why there is 10 of cups? Hermit and the Empress here. Hermit and the Empress. Okay, so now you're doing the soul searching. You are doing your soul searching, you are doing your inner work, and you're finding the answers from within yourself, that how you can create your 10 of cups, with whom you want to create your 10 of cups. Right now you're feeling, you are having a lot of confusion, but you will take the leap of faith. You will take a leap of faith, Aquarius. Maybe right now you're having a lot of confusions, a lot of options to choose, but you will take a leap of faith after doing your soul searching. Right now you are in a hermit mode. You are doing your soul searching, you're finding the answers. Okay, why there is 9 of cups here? Clarify me. See, bottom of the deck I'm having King of Wands. This is your Seven of Wands, Six of Wands, and the King of Cups. So this is your wish fulfillment, but with this is your wish fulfillment. Okay, this is your wish fulfillment. Okay, this is something. This is someone with you are wishing for. You are wishing for this person a lot, but your guards are up. Your defensive mode is on with the Seven of Wands. Okay, but this person will get success in putting your guards down, I can say that. Okay, success, victory. Okay, Six of Wands with the King of Wands. See, again, all pairs are here. Can you see? This is your wish fulfillment. This is your wish fulfillment. Okay, this is someone you are wishing for, Aquarius. You have wished this person, basically. Clarify me, Empress. Clarify me, Empress. Why there is Empress? Two of Wands, Judgment, and bottom of the deck I'm having Four of Wands. Clarify me, Empress, more. Clarify me, Empress. Okay, so Two of Wands, Judgment, Queen of Cups, Six of Cups. You want soulmate in your life. Can you see Queen of Cups? You are manifesting. You're doing manifestation of your soulmate. You are manifesting your twin flame. You want that. You are praying to the divine that I want my twin flame in my life. Please, divine, give me the twin flame, give me the soulmate in my life. That's what you are praying for. Can you see? You're making a judgment here. You are Two of Wands. You are making a judgment for your life. You are deciding, basically. You will decide that who is your soulmate, who is the person with whom you will get married, the Hierophant with the Six of Cups here. So this is beautiful reading, I can say that. Let's add some advice from the divine for this reading. I don't think so that Eight of Swords again. You're feeling restricted right now, Aquarius? Okay, so Eight of Swords is here. I don't think so that I want any advice. This is beautiful, but beautiful reading, Aquarius. Let's see, what is the advice? Please give me the advice for this reading. See, again Three of Wands, the Fool again, Emperor again. Okay, High Priestess, King of Cups, and King of Swords. Beautiful. So maybe this person manipulate you in the past. Maybe there was a third party situation. Okay, maybe they broke your heart in the past. That can be a possibility with the Seven of Swords and Three of Pentacles. And because of that, you're feeling restricted here. Again, Eight of Swords energy. But you're waiting for your ships to come. Three of Wands here again. And here there is Fool card. You will take a leap of faith with your Emperor, or the Emperor wants to take a leap of faith with you. Okay, the Fool, the Emperor here, and they're using their intuitions, because they are using their intuitions. This is someone who is very intuitive. Why they are very intuitive? Because this is your divine counterpart, the King of Cups here. Can you see? The King of Cups is here. And King of Cups is also someone who is very intuitive, who uses the third eye intuitions. Okay, so yes, they are going to take a leap of faith with you. That's the advice. They will take a leap of faith with you. They're coming towards you. This is someone who is your divine counterpart, the King of Swords here. This is beautiful advice. So that was your reading, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, one more time I'm going to show you all the pairs here. I'm having all the pairs. Okay, the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords. This is beautiful reading. I love today's reading. Okay, and this is Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. Okay, all power couples are here. Okay. Queen of Cups. Where is King of Cups? Okay, let it be. I am not right now able to find it. Emperor and the Empress both are here. Okay, so yes, that was your reading, and this is beautiful reading. Emperor and the Empress is also here. So that was your reading, and I hope I help you out in some manner. You can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Okay, sending you lots of love, healing energy and beautiful light to all of you, Aquarius, who is watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.